National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southwestern Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Marlborough, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Boston, Cambridge, Lynn, Newton, Somerville, Framingham, Waltham, Malden, Medford, Revere, Peabody, Arlington, Everett, Billerica, Woburn, Chelsea, Chelmsford, Andover, Natick, and Watertown. Here is the official national